fellow creators, YouTube viewers all over the world. Our video for today is an update of our backyard garden. Okay, come on. This is our chilies. So chili, yeah. There's a flowering. Oh, there's a flower. Chili. And then there's small chilies. Small chili. Second batch chili planted. And there's our ampalaya. Ampalaya is bearing fruits. I have already harvested. This is only. Oh, there's a bee. The bee is pollinating our eggplant. It's flying. Hop, 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 hop. It's over there. Okay. There's our eggplant. Oh no! I think this eggplant is attacked by fruit borer, because as you can see there is one, so we have to open this, get this. Even if I wrap it with cellophane, the fruit borer attack our. Oh, look at that! Oh, there's a hole made by the fruit borer, so we have to pull out this fruit because there's this is attacked by fruit borer, so we have to examine this using only oh, there's a hole made by that fruit borer, so we have to open this using only our hand. Look slowly, look closely. There. I think there is a there. Look. There's a wall. This is a fruit borer. This is a wall. As you can see, it's a worm. So we have to our eggplant is attacked by one. Even you put a cellophane, the attack. This is the challenge in planting eggplant. Fruit borers and stem borers. You have to spray it and or smoking or by way of oh, we have here another eggplant fruit. We have to wrap it with this cellophane so that we can protect it against fruit borers and stem borers. Later, okay. We go now to our ampalaya. This is our ampalaya. Here. This is only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ampalaya. Look. The ampalaya is look like the trunk of the ampalaya is look like very big. Okay, we go now to our. This is a patola seedling. Patola seedling. I already planted some patola, nearly 30 seedlings I have planted already. They are about 2 feet now, so we will go there later. Okay, this is our I will show you first. This is our lemongrass. Okay. Oh, there's a very big fish over there. This is eggplant. This is my chili. What happened to this chili? Its leaves is getting light green, yellowish. I have to. I think this needs some nitrogen. Okay, later we have to put some drench it with nitrogen. There's our okra. We have to harvest this later. Okay. Okra. Yeah. There's some okra there, and there's some chili. There's cassava. This is our backyard. Yeah, so multi-cropping. Okay. So this is our string beans. Okay. I already harvested this because I planted this since last September 2025. So now is the January 24, 2026. This is an update about our backyard gardening. So this is I use this as this plant, this flowering what is this plant, as a trellis for our string beans. So I already harvested this. It's a success. Okay, there's a flower. This flower will become string beans later. So after 5 days we can harvest that. Okay. Oh, this is our combination of string beans and patola. Patola and string beans. There's a patola. There's a big patola now. In 2 to 3 days we can harvest this. It's big enough. Okay. Beside this patola and string beans, we have our eggplant here. There's a fruits in our eggplant. Today is Saturday. Tomorrow Sunday we will have to harvest this eggplant so that we can cook it. Can cook so that we cannot buy vegetable because we have planted for our consumption. Oh, there's a bee. There's a bee flying. Oh, okay. Beside these eggplants, and trellis, we have here the trellis. I already prepared trellis for our almost 30 patola I planted. This patola is almost 2 feet already. It's now beginning to climb our trellis. Okay. That one. And in the middle, beside the patola, I have planted a eggplants. Up.